Hi, I'm Sharon Bulova, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors. I'd like to share with you a few highlights for our upcoming board meeting on Tuesday, April the 7th. Presentations in the morning include a number of school-related recognitions, a proclamation to designate April 16th as Holocaust Remembrance Day, and a recognition of Police Week on May the 10th through the 16th. Morning administrative and action items include advertising a public hearing to amend Fairfax County's noise ordinance, advertising a public hearing to temporarily move the polling place for the Vienna No. 2 precinct from the Vienna Community Center to nearby Vienna Elementary School. This is being done while the Vienna Community Center will be closed for renovation. And then approving an agreement between the U.S. Department of Transportation, the FHA, and Fairfax County regarding the Route 1 widening project. This agreement allows Fairfax County to recover $210,000 in staff costs from the federal government for the project that is under construction currently. For the afternoon, April 7th begins the first of 3 days of public hearings on the fiscal year 2016 advertised budget. The chairman of the school board will testify first at 4 p.m. with the school board's testimony regarding the school transfer request. The school transfer equals about 53% of the county's general fund budget. The county funds about 71% of the school board's budget. The Board of Supervisors does not have line item authority over the transfer. Members of the public who have signed up to speak will follow the school board's presentation. Additional public hearings will be held on Wednesday, April the 8th, and Thursday, April the 9th, beginning at 1 p.m. Speaking slots are available both during the daytime and in the evening. To register to speak, please visit fairfaxcounty.gov/budget. As I always say, an informed and engaged community is a well-served community. I hope you'll participate in this important process. Thanks so much for watching and for your interest in Fairfax County government.